Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In my today video I'll be showing you how to crochet this beautiful flower. This is very simple for new beginners. So I'm going to be using the crochet hook 3.5 millimeters. So let me go straight to the point, guys. I'll begin with the white yarn. So the first thing that I have to do is I have to begin with a chain of 4. So you put your yarn like this and you take this and you pull. So I'll begin with 4 chain, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I come back to the first where I begin and I'm going to make a slim stitch like this. So now I'm going to crochet 3 chain. I'm going to crochet 2 chain, guys. 1, 2. So on top of this my chain, I'm going to crochet 16 half crochet. So I begin with, that's it, that's my second, because the chain is representing 1 half crochet. That's my number 2 half crochet, number 3, number 4, number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So when you finish crocheting your 16 half crochets, guys, the next thing that you have to do, you have to close your work. So you come, this your hook, you come on top of your first chain that you crocheted, on top of the chain here, and you are going to make a slim stitch like this. So after that you use your scissors and you cut your yarn like this. So you remove and you take your needle and you sew the yarn inside. So I sew my yarn inside like this. So I'm going to cut it. I cut and I put my needle and my scissors beside. So the next thing, guys, I'm going to change my yarn. So I'm going to move next to this rose color. So I'm going to begin, I put my yarn like this, then I take my hook and I pull the yarn, then I take my work and I pass it through any of the hole there. I pull the yarn out like this. So the next thing that I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to crochet 5 chain. I'll begin with 5 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I'm going to put my work on my number 4 half stitch. So you look at it from here. So this 1, 2, 3 and 4 here, I'm going to make a single stitch. So I'm going to crochet 4 chain now. So the reason why I crocheted 5 chain here is because one of the chain is representing 1 single stitch. So here I'm already having my 1 single stitch. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to crochet another 4 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to put on the fourth hole here. That's 1 2 3 4, and I put a single stitch. So I crochet another 4. So I put on the fourth, like that. So I crochet another 4, another 4 chain. So I'm going to put it here where I begin my work. So I make a slim stitch here to close. So this is the second row of my work, guys. So the next thing that I'm going to do now, I'm going to crochet 5 chain. 1 2 3 4 5. So followed by, I'm going to crochet a triple crochet. I'm going to crochet 4 triple crochet after the chain. So I'm going to put 1 2 3 loops on top of my hook. So I pass it here, I remove the first, I remove the second, and I remove the third. Another 3 loops on top of my hook, the first, the second, and the third. Another 3 loops, the first, the second, and the third. Another 3 loops, the first, the second, and the third. So right now I've crocheted my 4 triple crochet plus this one here, making it 5. So what next? I'm going to crochet a chain of 4. 1 2 3 4. So I'm going to come back inside this hole and I'll make a slim stitch like this. So this is the first step, guys. So I'm going to move to the next hole and I make a slim stitch. So I crochet 5 chain like that. So I put 3 loops on top of my hook. I crochet my first triple crochet, my second triple crochet, my third triple crochet, and my fourth triple crochet. So after I crochet my 4 triple crochet, the next I'm going to crochet 4 chain. 1 2 3 and 4. So I come back inside this hole, the very hole, and I make a slim stitch. Then I move to the next hole, I make 1 slim stitch, then I crochet 5 chain. 1 2 3 4 5. So I followed by 4 triple crochet. 1 2 3 4. So when I finish with my 4 triple crochet, guys, I'm going to crochet a chain of 4. 1 2 3 and 4. So I come back to the same hole and I make a slim stitch. So you guys can see how the work is looking as I'm going. So I move to the next hole. So this is the last hole. I'm going to make 1 slim stitch, then I'll crochet 5 chain. 1 2 3 4 and 5. So followed by my 4 triple crochet. So I put my 3 loops and I begin with my first triple crochet, second triple crochet, third triple crochet, fourth triple crochet, Then I crocheted a chain of 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I come back to the hole, the same hole, and I make a slim stitch. So right now I'm going to cut my yarn. I cut my yarn there. So I pull it. I pull the yarn, and I'm going to use my needle. I'll use my needle and I'll sew the yarn in. So I'll use it. When you want to sew the yarn, you turn your work on the back side, guys. So you pass your hook in between like this. Then you cut. So you cut your yarn, then you turn. So here I go. So this the flower, guys. So if you have watched up to this stage, guys, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching.